Hi everyone. Yesterday I was stuck with a problem, which is when I'm trying to access Android emulator from Android Studio, it was raising an error. It's not working. Which I guess was the same with you because that's why you are here. So you could see here when I'm trying to launch this virtual emulator, it's asking me to install a driver called which is Hypervisor driver for AMD processors. And when I'm trying to install it, it was raising an error. So let's see how to fix this. First of all, close your application and then restart your PC to BIOS mode. You can restart your PC to BIOS mode by pressing a del key or appropriate F key, and then you will get here. So under this advanced frequency settings, click on advanced CPU settings, and then you could see here there is a mode called SVM mode, which was disabled by default, so enable it. And then save it and exit from the BIOS. Now your PC will be restarted, and then let me open Android Studio again. Hopefully this time it should work. I hope so. Let me launch the Android emulator once again. You could see here it's not popping up any error message. There you go, it worked. So the reason is you need to enable this SVM mode in the BIOS, which was disabled by default. So go to your BIOS settings and then enable that mode. That's it.